When spring is in the air, you start thinking about planting your garden, even though there is some snow on the ground. But let me show you what works best. So we got our soil. I've got my seeds here. Got my planter that I got to get ready. And I've got the containers. But what I really need to get started are some lights. With spring just around the corner, now is the time to start planting your seedlings and getting ready to grow. This here is a low power grow light. It only uses 6 watts and it comes with everything you need to get started. You can mount this either in a greenhouse environment, that includes everything you need, including zip ties. How handy is that? So here are the lights themselves. You can see the LEDs in there. They daisy chain from one into another. Really well packaged. It's going to be really easy to set up. Includes a manual. So it is 3000K, which means that it's kind of on the yellowish look or yellowish side when you light it up. It includes 4 grow lights, connecting wire, power cord, Velcro cable ties, made of aluminum plastic. Can't wait to set this up. Let's get to it, shall we? Even includes a switch. Now here's the lights themselves. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna attach them using the clips here on the back, and you will put them over top of your seedlings that are just starting out. There's no heat or anything coming from this. It is just a straight grow light. This is how your seedlings get started, with good grow lights. Now it also includes a plug to put on the very end piece there, so you don't have to worry about touching that with your fingers. It also includes these clips here that you can screw into your greenhouse or whatever you want to use to frame it up. And then these are going to simply clip on just like that. Really easy to use. You have several in each package, and there are also other options here for them too. It's all in the manual. Now, depending if you want to hang it or if you want to cable tie it or attach it to a ceiling, all the accessories you need are right in here. So if you want to have a thriving garden this summer, get started with the right tools. This grow light will make everything easier this growing season. And just like that, you got light.